A very good morning. I welcome you all for this lecture series in Principles of Management course. Yes, we have a lot of obstacles in communication, and due to these obstacles, we are unable to exchange the information between any two members. And we will discuss in detail about these barriers of communication in today's topic. So communication is the exchange of information between two or more individuals as we see the basic definition. Barriers to communication can arise from various sources, preventing effective transmission and understanding messages. So, what are the physical barriers we have? Noise, distance, technical issues. Let us see one by one. Noise. Loud environments such as construction sites or crowded rooms can hinder clear communication. Distracting sound makes it difficult to hear and understand messages. Distance. Physical distance between individuals can create communication barriers. For example, a large conference room may make it hard for attendees to hear the speaker clearly. Technical issues like poor internet connection, faulty equipment, software glitches can disrupt communication. This can be frustrating, leading to misinterpretations or delays. Psychological barriers, prejudice, emotions, stresses, lack of attention. These are all the psychological barriers. Preconceived notions about the individuals or groups can hinder communication. These biases can lead to misunderstanding and misinterpretations. Strong emotions such as anger, fear, sadness can cloud judgment and impede effective communication. Individuals may not be able to listen objectively. When individuals are under stress, they may have difficulty focusing on communication. They may misinterpret messages or fail to communicate effectively. Okay, fail to communicate effectively, sorry. So, lack of attention, distractions, or lack of interest can hinder communication. People may not pay much attention to the messages or may not understand the information fully. So, what are the semantic barriers we have? Jargon, ambiguity, and difference in interpretation. Using technical terms and specialized language unfamiliar to the audience can create communication barriers. Individuals may not understand the meaning of the words. Words with multiple meanings or unclear phrasing can lead to misinterpretations. This can cause confusion and lead to misunderstanding. Individuals may interpret the same words differently based on their background, experience, and cultural perspectives. So, what are the cultural barriers we have? The obstacles, which is based on the language, based on the types and values and beliefs. So it is common like language barriers can create significantly communication challenges, especially in multilingual environments. Difference in culture, in non-verbal communication, such as postures, eye contact, personal space, can lead to misunderstanding. Different cultural values and beliefs can influence communication styles and interpretations. For example, directness versus indirectness is communication can vary across cultures. Organizational barriers. So hierarchical structure, lack of open communication, overworked staff. These are the three barriers that we look into the organization. A rigid hierarchy can restrict communication flow. Employees may be hesitant to share information or ideas with superior or colleagues in different departments. A cultural a culture of secrecy or closed communication can hinder information sharing and collaboration. This can lead to silos and prevent the free flow of ideas. Overworked employees may not have the time or energy to communicate effectively. This can result in rushed messages, misinterpretations, and poor communication quality. So there may be some technology barriers like digital divide, technical malfunctions, security concerns, language barriers. So we have already seen what is language barrier, and we'll see something called digital divide. Unequal access to technology, digital literacy can create communication barriers. Individuals without access to computers or internet may be excluded from digital communication. Glitches in software or hardware can disrupt communication. This can lead to delay, frustration, and misunderstandings. Concerns about data privacy and security can hinder communication. Individuals may be hesitant to share sensitive information online. So there is a possibility to overcome all these communication barriers. Number one, as an audience, we should be an active listener. Pay attention to both verbal and non-verbal cues, asking clarifying questions, and show empathy to ensure understanding. Clear and concise language. Use simple, unambiguous language. Avoid jargon and mindful of culture differences in communication style. Open communication. Foster an environment where individuals feel comfortable sharing ideas, concerns, and feedback and evaluation. Regularly seek and provide feedback on communication effectiveness. This helps identify areas for improvement and promote continuous learning. So I hope it is a little understanding of the barriers we come across, or the hurdles or the obstacles we come across in communication, so that we can avoid certain things by awareness and effectively communicate to achieve the common goal. So thank you all for patient listening. We'll meet in the next lecture series.